What's up, everybody, and welcome back to our channel here at the Penn, Ohio SCTE. And today I have Deidra Burns with us, a data expert in warehousing, integration, and basically all things data. Dee, how you doing today?
Great. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, I appreciate you taking the time out of your schedule to come, explain to us what it is you do and why you love what you do and the good and the bad and everything in between. Maybe give us a little idea of how the data world works in today's world, which, as we all know, is absolutely crazy with data. So, Dee, why don't you, if you don't mind, why don't we start off by getting a little background? Like, how did you get there where you understand the integration of different types of data, where you know how to warehouse and of course, app integration with your data? How?
Oh, wow. It really started with my first data position. I kind of stumbled into it. I had worked for my father's company and met a gentleman there who created several databases. And we were doing mailing us up these brochures, sending out flyers for, it was actually in the cable TV industry. So
Okay.
putting together the flyers for Trilithic and sending us out. And his name was Dan O'Connor, brilliant man. He showed me this D-base too. And I was like, wow, this sings and dance, and you can do so much with it. So it really sparked my creativity. I was currently enrolled in school to be an environmental engineer because I was a partner with a company doing that. And once I kind of got the bug, I said, I've got to switch. I've got to do something that I can get in and enjoy. And so it kind of grew from there. I changed my major. I did go on to get my degree from computer information technology from Purdue University, and I did get a web integration certificate, which helped me with the APIs and the pieces on joining and bringing those components together. I spent probably about 12 years in the financial sector working at Sallie Mae and then also at one of the largest debt collection software companies. And in both instances, I was responsible for data. At Sallie Mae, we were in healthy and acquiring several different large companies. My team and I set up the database moves from moving the data from one loan origination system over to the other via stored procedures, doing any troubleshooting with that, and kind of the same thing when I went over to Ontario Systems, which is also in a data role. Within that company, I got to expand a little bit into partnerships. So I worked with LexisNexis, Equifax, TU, all those major contributors. So when they're going and pulling up the customer data, we could populate immediate credit information in the same well. And then it just expanded. So from there, it's went beyond data into feature functionality, best time to call, but it really does boil back down into all things data and how the systems can talk together.